Yo, it's your boy, your alligator, brought to you live on another edition of the game, identifying and working on all these stocks that went down as of February 22nd that at least have lost 50% of their market value. We're here to make money. We're going to teach you how to do it. This is your boy.
AT, baby, AT. We're actually here just showing you right now how we get it done. We kept looking, and we found it. We found actually a rat company that you're going to like. Now, don't get it twisted. This distinguished Mickey Mouse motherfucker is actually one of the good ones. Used to be in high society, but now it's all the way to the barrio, baby. The name of this company is called CHK, Chesapeake Energy Corporation, okay? And the good thing about this rat right here is that it's going to bring you all the wealth, okay? It's going to bring you everything back, baby. Everything you lost in your pension, you're about to make it. If you actually know how to utilize this Mickey Mouse company, we'll show you right now how to get it done, right?
That's right, man. CHK is like a Bill Gates on crack at the moment. So CHK started in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma in the year 1989. Big time oil and gas, old school white money, George W. Bush, you know that type of people. So they're not going anywhere. Problem is, for the past 20 years, the whole company's been doing a lot of bad things. One of them was that they went $9 billion in debt. Even though they have $16 billion in assets, $9 billion debt, not good. So their stock went from $62 in the year 2008 up until today is only 19 cents. So we identified this rat and we're going to work it. We're going to milk it. We know how to make the money. We identified the way that we can milk this rat. Dude, how are we going to do this?
Okay, so let me show you how we got it done. Pretty much, you got to do your research, and we found out a couple of things. You know, in June 2008, this rat was worth $62 a share, which means it had a lot of money. This is actually one of the main dogs. It belongs with the big boys out there. However, because of whatever maneuvering and just rat corporation type movements, you know, this thing has been like dying. And the last month, in February 25th, when I show you right here, it was worth 45 cents, okay? And it's been coming down, all the way to its death, baby, but that's okay. And the deathbed is still not dead. We're still gonna be able to find a lot of value right here. And what I'm going to show you now is value. 1 week, we have found the pattern that we believe we can milk this rat all the way to April 10th, okay? So this is what we're gonna do, okay? We're gonna buy a 17, you know, as you can see here on March 18, this is one of the trades that we did, you know, and then we sold on March 19 for 19 cents. We bought a 17, we sold at 19. Very simple concept. The exact same day on March 19, it dropped again to 17. We bought it again, and then on March 20th, it went up again to 19 cents. So we keep making that 2 cents margin. That 2 cent margin represents 12%, kid. 12%. Just look at it this way. The banks give you 1.5% annually. We make 12% back-to-back days. Just on back-to-back days, we already made 24% on our money. How you like that, kid? And then that brings us to yesterday when we made another trade and we bought actually at 17 cents again. And today, it came through again and we sold it at 19 cents, making another 12%, 36% in 1 week. What do you got to say about that, son? Now, in order for this to work, you got to keep an eye on a few things, you know, in order to make sure that you can keep reading this rat the way it's supposed to behave. And alligator, just let me know pretty much how we do this actually. How do we get this done?
So here's the deal. If you're going to play Chesapeake Energy Corporation, it is very, very important that you follow the price of crude oil. So for example, if you're going to play CHK and you expect it to follow the same pattern of 17 cents up into 20 cents, oil must be in between $25 per barrel to $20 per barrel. As you can see in the chart, it follows almost the same trend, CHK and oil. But don't let yourself be fooled. Sometimes, obviously, there's exceptions to every rule. A great exception was this morning. We saw CHK go down from 18 to 16 cents, even though oil was on an upward trend. But no, me and my boy, we know what to do. We did the math. We were studying the stock all week long. So we hold, and we rode the stock up until 18 cents later on today. And that's when we got out. All right. So we got to trust, because we trust what we've been doing. We did the math. We read the literature. So we're in order in that sense. All right. So just remember, keep oil in between 25 to 20. You're solid. If oil goes down below 20, get the fuck out of there. You don't belong to CHK. There's no business there. Unless you want to go back, study and analyze the new trend, which is probably going to be 15 to 14, 15 to 13. We don't know. That's uncharted territory. We haven't been there yet. What do you got to say about that?
Okay, so I just got to say, just keep an eye on it, because at the end of the day, this is a rat company, and rats actually have rabies, son, so be careful, okay? On April 10th, they're going to have a meeting. All the CEOs are going to get together, and they're going to start discussing CHK, and they're going to find out, guess what? Oh, crap, it's a garbage company. That's right, son. But all these rich motherfuckers are going to flip. So careful. You got to make sure you got to be out of there by April 10th, because you don't know what these guys are capable of. We know corruption's right, baby. So let's make sure that we're nowhere near that meeting, and our money's way out of there by then, okay? Until then, it's pretty safe. As long as oil continues to be above $20 a barrel, we're going to be pretty safe. So keep getting this 2 cents, profit on every trade that you do. Just keep it simple, baby.
That's right. That's right. One more thing before we leave. Oh, every day at 3:30 New York time, keep an eye on CHK. Keep an eye on your computer. Keep an eye on your cell phone. Keep an eye on the stock, because usually it just bounces really high, like it did on this would be March 13th. It went up 100% in the last 5 minutes before the closing bell. So just letting you know that as an extra tip. All right. Keep safe. There's your boy, the alligator.
And this is AT, and he's 100% correct. This is not a set it and forget it type of stock. Okay, you got to keep your eye on it. This is not for the lazy. This is for the hustler that wants to make some cash today. Okay, so just keep it real, guys. Love you. Take care, guys.
Peace.